My name is Loué Al Samurai and I'm one of the managing partners of Active Public Relations. Including the headphones, of which I actually have 3 pairs, believe it or not, and they are the most amazing things that I've ever used in terms of the technology and the innovation. And I have to say that, for example, I use one set of headphones for conference calls, and the sound deadening and the noise quality is excellent for that kind of thing. The wireless connectivity is very, very useful. And at the same time, I think that what I love about these products is they're very design-led as well. So they look cool as well as being incredibly tactile and useful to use. And they really are very relevant to your life and what you're doing, rather than being sort of gimmicky. And one of the things I was saying earlier is it's not something you'd associate with a French company per se in terms of the technology innovation, which is something that I think is really incredible. It's a very strong story that I believe they have to tell, because these are the sorts of things you might expect from an Apple, or you might expect from a Japanese technology company, or even Samsung, but it's not. It's coming from a little company in Paris called Parrot, and that's quite impressive from my point of view.
My name is Vanessa Laurie and I'm the PR director for Parrot. We're here to launch the MiniDrones family. So it's a family of toy drones that you pilot with your smartphone or your tablet. For one in Bluetooth Smart, for the other one in Wi-Fi. The MiniDrones, so the jumping sumo and the rolling spider, are already available in your market. And the last product we are here to introduce is the Parrot MiniKit Neo 2 HD, which is a portable hands-free kit for the car, enabling you to manage phone calls hands-free.
As you've seen, we've presented four new products in the 3 different range we have at Parrot. So one product for the automotive section, which is the plug-and-play MiniKit Neo HD2. 2 products in the drone section with the Rolling Spider and Jumping Sumo, and last but not least, the brand new headphones, which are the Zik 2.0. So the Rolling Spider and Jumping Sumo have been launched 1 month and a half ago. Regarding the MiniKit Neo and the Zik 2.0, they're coming for the end of this year. You can find them in Virgin, Sheriff DJ, Emacs, Plugins, iStyle, also Dubai Duty Free.